When we encounter a project that requires personal contact, we're going to be maintaining our social distance of 6 feet. We always ask if people in the home have had any recent illness or current illness. We have a disinfectant that we spray on our gloves, and we have masks that are N95, and we have impervious booties that we put on when we enter the home and do our work. Anything that we touch, anything that we leave behind is going to be clean. We're going to make sure that we leave the job site cleaner than we found it, as it were. Okay, in lieu of signing the tablet or getting close to one of our personnel to do that, we can have you sign by calling into the office and giving your approval over the phone. That will just enter, and it's the same as a signature. The other thing that I will tell you is that we're trying to flatten the curve of service calls in the summertime, just the way we're trying to flatten the curve with infectious disease here. So getting that service, getting that equipment looked at, nipping any little problems in the bud before they turn into big ones, is very important this year more than ever.